Hello, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions. We're at the point in our video series where I recap the topics from the past 3 weeks and deliver value to our supporters. As part of our Maintain Your Infrastructure series, we explained how to stay ahead of technology and provide suggestions to maximize your return on investment in your IT equipment. We began with reviewing how to keep your equipment safe and what a well-maintained IT environment looks like for a small to medium-sized business. In week 2, we discussed the standard hardware computer requirement specs you should be aiming for in 2021 and how often you should replace those laptops and workstations. Finally, we covered what it looked like to replace a server and how you should consider moving those servers from on-prem to the cloud. If you missed any of this content, check out our website for our previous ebooks and the videos from our library. And as a thank you for watching our videos, we would like to extend an offer for a free IT equipment assessment. We will work with you remotely or in person to review your environment and give you advice. To take advantage of this offer, email us at info@drpsolutions.com or call our main line at 631-873-4560.